guys, today updates to our Lipman garlic or Russian garlic. After few months now, look at them. So no worries for that. And we got too many mushroom coming here from our compost, meaning the soil is really good. So I'll show you something. The first time I experienced this, these beautiful flowers of garlic. Here they are. It's forming now. This one is not quite ready, but it is really ready. So once it's moving and up, then it will be turned into garlic escape like this. See, this one I planted it first, so that's why she come up first. But the rest, it's developing. So once the garlic escape, or they call it flowering, don't let them go matured and old, because if you do, all the energy sucked from garlic plants or mother plants. So remove them just like this, cut it, and then you can use them. I heard they are really good, but I haven't tried myself that yet. Soon I find out it's really good to put that in your foods, because this is behave like a garlic as well itself. This is nice and mild elephant garlic compared to that garlic. That's real garlic. They're purplish reddish in flesh, in the skin. See, I watered them yesterday and then they look so dry already now. But if you put it inside like this, it's kind of quiet, moist. So you have important to check garlic before you water them. Although the weather is hot and very windy, but still the garlic didn't drink as much as when they were young anymore. Because you know why? They are almost finished. So October, November, and December, November to December will be totally 8 to 9 months. Yes, guys, that's how very long the garlic can make the garlic bulbs. So you can see here, see that when you dig it a little bit, it's still wet. And look, it's the elephant garlic here or Russian garlic here in the bottom. They are really similar to the leeks, you know, cousin of leeks. Hence they are very mild. So this is forming garlic now. Very nice. I can't wait to dig that in next 2 months. But it's almost like bending now. See, 4 or 5 of these are